Toyota Lexus hybrids made in 2011 to 2019 had ABS error lights coming up on cluster, as well as on diagnostics, abnormal leakage of accumulator, and brake pedal becomes very soft or doesn't stop the car at all. This is usually the problem of the master cylinder of the brake. Usually the root reason is the rubber getting too old. Let's see how to resolve that. This is our repair kit. Inside we have bearings and carbon brushes which can be used to repair the motor. Let's see the master cylinder now. First we remove the upper side. Next we need to disconnect solenoids from the pump. Now we move on to the piston of the cylinder. There is a buckle here. We need to push the piston down, and then we can remove this ring. Once this ring comes off, the piston is a bit hard to remove. Use a bit of strength to take it out. Once you got the piston, on top we have 3 rubber rings, the small one on top and 2 inside. These 2 are bigger. Those ones over here. Another piston and ring are inside here. It's a bit hard to remove. What works for us is to use a wooden base and hit it so it can come out. Here is our replacement. After we remove the front side of the cylinder, over here on the back, take off this screw. Inside here is another piston. This is very hard to remove. We use the wooden base again. Here we have 3 rings, matching our 3 here. This master cylinder has already been refurbished with our parts, so we're almost done. One more step is over here. This piston also needs to be pushed down, and then we can take out the ring first. Now this part here is not easy to take off. We need to use compressed air, and it comes out easily. Next step, this ring. We replaced it with our biggest ring. We take out the spring inside. Inside is one last thing. We'll take it off with compressed air again. Here is a tiny rubber ring. We replaced it with ours. The master cylinder reservoir is our next step. This motor here, we need to replace bearings and carbon brushes. First we take off the 3 screws. This is the bearing. Here is ours. To pull it out, we use this special tool. Okay, bearing is removed. Now for this rotor, we'll replace the carbon brushes with ours. Motor bearings. This one is broken. Now ours will be installed. On the coils, the brushes have been replaced. All parts have been replaced. Now it's time to assemble all together. And testing on cars.